Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm starving, y'all. Anyway, I'm gonna fix some smoked sausage, the beef smoked sausage, Eckrich. It's sort of like kielbasa, but it's smoked sausage. I'll be making egg, and I'll be making a smoked sausage and egg grilled cheese sandwich. And I'll be cooking on my stove. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see what I'm doing and see what I'm using. I'm using American cheese. I got the cheddar cheese in the fridge, but I like American cheese. A lot of people don't like it. So, first I'm going to cook the sausage. It's fully cooked, but I like for it to get brown. It was 2 in this pack, and fixed one a couple days ago. Smoked sausage, and it's beef. So I'm going to cut it to fit the bread. I'll be making 2. I'm going to cut this in half. Then I'm going to split it so it'll fit in the bread easy. I'm split it. I'm not going all the way through. Like that. I'm doing this. Split it. And cut it. And this has enough grease on it. I don't need butter in the skillet at this point. I think I want to score the backs of it. I ain't cutting all the way through. I'm going to cut in my skillet, mess up the finish. You don't have to do all this. Y'all know I'm extra. And this could have been made in my air fryer, but I'm cooking more on the stove. I got this nice cookware, so I might as well use it. Okay. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm going to do my egg now for the bread. And 1 egg. See a shell. Okay. Put some pepper in the egg. And the cheese and the sausage is salty enough. I don't need any salt. And I ain't putting no milk or nothing in this egg. I'm just, or water, I'm just scrambling the egg. One my long time ago honeys blessed me with this one and a bigger whisk. And I don't know what happened to them. I'm concerned about my honeys when I don't hear from them in a long time. Also got some ground beef out. He's going to make meatloaf. I could have made a hamburger out of that pound of meat, but come on, turn your little hard-headed self over. Okay, you can stay. That's what I wanted. I want the inside of that to be kind of brown. This is unsalted butter. Oops. Put some butter in the skillet for the little bit of egg I got. Fire on. Yeah. Take out the bread. I'm using the Italian sliced bread. It's like white bread, but it's Italian. The butternut brand. There's another brand I like to use also. I think it's Brownberry. Can't remember. Split this. Flip it for 2 sandwiches. Okay. Put this on top of the sausage. Okay. Wipe this out this skillet. I wish I had some ghee. It has the best flavor. butter in the skillet for the bread. One more paper towel. I'm using this whole thing of paper towels by myself. I just butter one side of the bread, and then when I flip it, I'm gonna butter the other side. Okay, these look kind of greasy, so I'm wiping off as much grease as I can find. And then I'm cooking with no fire. Where they do that at, y'all? It there. Sausage here on top of the cheese. Mash it so the cheese will make it stick together. But when I flip it, it won't fall apart. Look at this side. Okay, it's brown. I'm gonna put some more butter up in here. Want to fall apart anyway, but I got you. Mash it. Nothing to eat today, and it's 3:25 p.m. I ain't had nothing to drink either. Yes, I did. I had a sip of water when I took my pills. You can brown a little more on the other side. I like it crispy. use this at all. Turn it off. See what it looks like on the other side. Brown. Actually, I want to cut these. Hear that crispiness? I'm just gonna cut through the meat. Okay, you got the sausage, the egg, the cheese, grilled cheese and sausage sandwiches. You can also use bacon, you can use ham. You don't have to add the egg. Gotta do a thumbnail. Like that. Bacon. No, it ain't bacon. Smoked sausage, egg, and cheese, grilled cheese sandwiches. Okay, I'm gonna bite it. Mmm. This can be for breakfast, lunch, breakfast for dinner. This is good, y'all. Mmm. Well, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a blessed rest of the day. It's 3:30 p.m. on Saturday. Bye. Bon appetit.